Rediscover your strength with one simple daily habit. Remember when you could carry heavy bags, spring up from a chair, or bound upstairs without a second thought? Those tasks might feel slower or more challenging now. But what if you could regain the strength you had in your 40s with just one science-backed daily habit? No gym membership, no hours-long workouts, just a small, consistent effort. In this article, you'll discover what this habit is and how to start today. Let's dive into why strength fades, why common solutions fall short, and how you can rebuild your power to feel capable again. After age 50, many people start losing muscle without noticing. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging that reduces muscle mass, weakens joints, and chips away at your independence. Research shows that by age 70, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass. Even if you stay active, you might notice signs: achy joints, low energy, or unsteadiness when standing up. The good news? You can fight back, not with pills or complex exercise plans, but with one straightforward habit done regularly. Let's first debunk a common myth that might be holding you back. Walking is often praised as a cornerstone of senior health. And it's true. It's great for your heart, improves blood flow, lifts your mood, and keeps joints limber. But if your goal is to rebuild lost muscle or maintain strength after 60, walking alone won't cut it. Why? Walking is a low-impact, repetitive activity that doesn't push your muscles to grow or stay robust. Think of it like maintaining a savings account. Walking keeps your balance steady, but it doesn't add to your muscle reserves. As you age, your body naturally withdraws from this reserve, and without deposits, your strength dwindles. Take Susan, a 68-year-old who walked 30 minutes daily, thinking she was staying fit. But she began struggling to carry her laundry basket upstairs. Lifting a heavy pot felt daunting, and a near slip on a slick floor revealed her reflexes weren't what they used to be. Her doctor delivered a wake-up call. You're active, but you're not strong. Does this sound familiar? Do you feel active but lack strength? If so, type active but weak in the comments. I read every one. I used to believe my daily walks were enough too. I'd hit my step goal and feel proud, only to realize my legs still felt unsteady. That's when I learned that activity doesn't equal strength. Susan's turning point came when she embraced resistance training, not with gym equipment, but with simple bodyweight exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, and stepping onto a low platform. Just 15 minutes a day. Within a month, her grip was stronger. By 2 months, she carried groceries with ease. The physical boost was matched by a mental shift. She felt confident and capable again. Walking keeps you moving, but resistance training keeps you strong. Let's explore why this one habit is the key to reclaiming your strength after 60. The single most effective habit for restoring strength in your 60s and beyond isn't a supplement, a trendy drink, or a high-tech gadget. It's resistance training, done consistently, right in your own home, without fancy equipment. This practice doesn't just slow muscle loss. It triggers your body to build new muscle fibers, improve balance, strengthen bones, and even support blood sugar and brain health. Here's the exciting part. Studies show that adults in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can increase muscle strength by up to 40% in just 8 weeks with regular resistance training. That's not just inspiring, it's science, right? Have you ever felt like your muscles gave out before your willpower did? If so, type "me too" in the comments. You're not alone. Consider Robert, a 71-year-old retiree who never touched a dumbbell in his life. After retiring, he noticed his legs wobbled on downhill walks, and carrying groceries felt like a chore. He didn't feel old, but his body was acting like it. One day, his granddaughter challenged him, "Grandpa, can you still do a push-up?" Robert chuckled, but later that evening, he tried a wall push-up and struggled. That moment lit a fire. Instead of giving in, he committed to a 10-minute daily routine. 10 wall push-ups, 8 chair squats, and a minute of stepping onto a stair. The first week was tough. His muscles ached, his arms shook, but he moved slowly, listening to his body. 3 weeks later, he carried 2 grocery bags upstairs without strain. By 6 weeks, his nagging back pain eased, his posture improved, and he felt like his old self. The best part? He didn't need heavy weights or a gym, just a small, consistent effort. You don't need to lift barbells or do intense workouts. You just need to challenge your muscles a bit more each day. Here's a simple, safe plan to get started. Your starter routine. 3 easy moves. This beginner-friendly routine takes just 10-15 minutes and can be done at home with no equipment. Do it 3 times a week, or make it a daily morning habit, like brushing your teeth. Here's how to start. 1. Chair squats, legs and hips. Oh, why strengthens your thighs, hips, and core for better stability. Oh, how. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, lower yourself until you lightly touch the seat, or go as low as feels safe. Then stand back up. Keep your movements slow and controlled. O reps, 3 sets of 5-10 squats. Rest 30 seconds between sets. O tip, hold the chair's arms for support if needed. 2. Wall push-ups, arms, chest, and core. O why builds upper body strength for everyday tasks like pushing doors or lifting objects. O how, stand 2-3 feet from a wall, hands at shoulder height. Lean forward, bending your elbows, then push back to the starting position. Move slowly to engage your muscles. O reps, 2 sets of 10-15 push-ups. Rest 30 seconds between sets. O tip, adjust your distance from the wall to make it easier or harder. 3. Step-ups, balance and leg power. O YSD improves balance and leg strength for climbing stairs or preventing falls. O how, use the bottom step of a staircase or a low, sturdy platform. Step up with 1 foot, then the other, and step back down. Alternate legs. O, duration 1-2 minutes. O tip, hold a railing or wall for balance if needed. As you get stronger, you can add light resistance bands or increase reps, but don't wait for the perfect setup. Start with these basics. Consistency is what drives results. Fuel your muscles with nutrition. Exercise is only half the equation. To rebuild muscle, your body needs protein. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal, especially after your workout. Great options include eggs, 6g per large egg, Greek yogurt, 10 oz per 100, lentils, 9g per cooked cup, tofu, 10 g per 100, wild salmon, 25 g per 100. Spread protein evenly across your meals to maximize muscle repair. For example, a breakfast of 2 eggs, Greek yogurt, and a slice of whole grain toast hits the mark. A post-workout snack like a protein shake or a turkey sandwich works too. Have you tried resistance exercises at home? What felt easy and what was tough at first? Share your experience in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to take the first step. You don't need to train like a bodybuilder or spend hours exercising. You just need to move like someone who refuses to let strength slip away. Pick one exercise from the routine above and try it tomorrow morning. Maybe it's 5 chair squats while your coffee brews or 10 wall push-ups before breakfast. Small steps lead to big changes. Within weeks, you might notice it's easier to climb stairs, carry groceries, or stand from a chair. More importantly, you'll feel capable, confident, and in control of your body again. Have you picked your one move for tomorrow? Comment "I'm starting" below to make it real. Or tag a friend who needs this gentle nudge to reclaim their strength. Your body is ready to remember what it was built for. In our next article, we'll reveal one surprising everyday food that could be quietly sapping your muscle strength, even if it's marketed as healthy. You won't want to miss it. For now, choose your move, start tomorrow, and take the first step toward feeling strong again.